straight. Oh!
Oh! That was personal. You do, baby. You got me, man. You got me. I closed my eyes.
Get over it.
Rematch, me and Christian against them. We are going to a art market at the convention center, and some of my favorite artists are gonna be there, including say his name. No, Jack Soren, Aloha de Mele. They're all gonna be there, and it's gonna be super fun, and we're just looking for fun, nice pieces of art. So hopefully we can agree on something. It was so cool seeing all of the artists in person and seeing the different prints. I wish I could have bought more, but your girl's trying to save some money, so window shopping will have to do for now. That's us. When I got to Jack Soren's booth, I was full on fangirling. I could have said hi and said, I'm such a big fan, but I was so scared. But he was even creating one of his rugs that was going to be a prize for a drawing, but I was too chicken to do that. I hadn't gone to a Honolulu Festival before, so I didn't know that a full-on bone dance was gonna happen. It was fun to watch everyone, all the cute old people dancing. There was even a sake and food fest happening in the back. That means free sake, wink wink, time to get lit. Yep, that's sake, alright.
Any kind snacks pairs good with any kind vlogs.
So this is honeycomb, like honeycomb what though? And then vanilla ice cream. That's good though. It tastes like cereal. What do you think? What?
Don't I look like Neo?
No.
How about now?
When you can't see the whole face,
Oh.
that's how you know. So that was a pleasant surprise because, well, first of all, I didn't realize that the art market was gonna be in the Honolulu Festival, which thank God it was free. We're walking around and then all of a sudden he's like, oh, I wanna look at these hats. And I was like, okay. So we're looking, and then I'm just like panning the area and this man is just staring at me and I'm like, what the heck? And then I look closer, I'm like, oh my God, that's my teacher from high school. So it was so funny. So I also bought a hat. You have to support. I got a little bucket hat and he got a little popper. It looks like one of those poppers. You know what I'm talking about? You flip it inside out, you put it on like the hard surface and then it like pops and shoots up. That's what this looks like. Yeah, you know exactly what I'm talking about. We got the honeycomb, what is it though? Like honeycomb what?
Hokkaido creams. It's Japanese ice cream.
Is it?
Yeah.
They were not Japanese.
Well.
Okay.
let you know that girl you untie me. If you don't really know what you want, then girl just untie me. You don't really know what you want, then girl you untie me. You untie me. You untie me. You untie me. If you don't really know what you want, then girl just untie me.
We're at my friend's beach barbecue day, so we're just having a little fun, playing some, oh my god, what is it called? Cornhole. I keep forgetting. We may go to the beach and then we're gonna enjoy some drinks and some food.
This is 1 point, hanging over is 2 points, and then inside is 3 points.
Is that right?
Yeah.
Living out of 10 like Spanish. Something with you like that. Got time for that. You know. Back off, they so cold. Got me glad that I know the way to go. Back off, that's how it goes.
It was a super long day because we were at the beach the whole time. It was super fun though because I got to spend time with some friends. Christian's so hungry, so that's why we're gonna get pho later, or now.
But you won't see that.
Yes, you will. But I'm so I mean, not hungry.
See, you
I'm not hungry. I'm so tired. I'm dead.
Check out the soup base first. A lot of like flour.
I have press-on nails. They're reusable, so I'm gonna try and apply them correctly, and I hope I can do it successfully. I usually don't paint my nails just because I have pretty wide nail beds and I've always been a little bit insecure. I would always call them my boy hands, little boy hands, because they look like little boy hands to me. But before I do, I just realized that I never gave the follow-up on my ceramic bowl that I had painted like months ago. Let me get that. And I'm nervous because it's ugly. Okay, so this is literally just red. I attempted to do something, and I also tried to do this if I had maybe the whole day to work on this bowl. And then this is the inside that I used whatever paint was left on the table, and I just covered the whole thing just to have something done because I was so over it. It's not the prettiest, but it has a lot of good memes with it, and that's what I'll take out of that experience. Okay, let's get into the nails. This was my first time getting custom reusable nails. So I started with clipping my nails, then pushing my cuticles back, then I buffed it and wiped it off with the alcohol pad, and then I could get to the gluing. But the gluing, I had a kind of difficult time in the beginning. I've never tried to make it so perfect before, but after taking it off a few times here and there, I was able to get it down. And then I applied cuticle oil to finish everything off. Only about 2 hours later, I'm done. So this is the finished product. Here we go. Look at that. Other side. It is the Hailey Bieber glazed chrome donut nails, just like the longest name possible. I'm not necessarily on Hailey's side, but her nails are looking bomb. They are a little bit longer than I anticipated, only because I'm not used to nails this long. Like normally I go like half. So the girl that I actually bought these from, her company is called the Nailz Brat with a Z, and I'm so happy to see local women of color just doing their thing, making that bank with really great products, as you can tell. I absolutely love them. I will put her website link in the description below, and you guys can check her out and support her. So that's actually gonna be it for this week's vlog, or more like this month's vlog. Thank you again for always bearing with me, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!
catch your feelings. Show me you want it. You been a fan, ain't no more talking. Need you to back it up. Back.